Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make egg vegetable salad. First, gather your ingredients, ensuring you have fresh eggs and a colorful assortment of crisp vegetables. We'll cover boiling eggs perfectly, chopping your veggies just right, and mixing up a delicious, easy dressing. Get ready to create a delightful and healthy dish that's perfect for any meal. Achieving perfectly cooked eggs is crucial for this salad. Carefully place your eggs in a saucepan, ensuring they are in a single layer. Cover them with 1 inch of cold water. Bring the water to a rolling boil, then immediately turn off the heat. Let the eggs sit in the hot water for 12 minutes, then transfer them to an ice bath to cool quickly. This prevents overcooking and makes peeling easier. Now let's prepare our vibrant vegetables and the zesty dressing. Choose your favorite crisp vegetables, such as bell peppers, celery, and cucumbers, dicing them into small, uniform pieces for a pleasant texture. For the dressing, whisk together mayonnaise, a spoonful of Dijon mustard, and a pinch of salt and pepper. A splash of apple cider vinegar adds a wonderful brightness and tang. With your eggs cooled and vegetables prepped, it's time to bring everything together. Carefully peel and chop your hard-boiled eggs into bite-sized pieces. In a large bowl, gently combine the chopped eggs, diced vegetables, and your flavorful dressing. Mix until everything is well coated. For best results, chill the salad for at least 30 minutes before serving. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.